Now we will create your community. Click on Communities in the navigation toolbar. Click on the Add tab at the top of the page. Give your community a name, provide a short description, enter your postal address, and enter a quick introduction for potential partners. You can set up an identifier or club ID, but this is not mandatory. You can also assign categories to your community. And upload a community logo and header images for the app and website. If you have already uploaded images to your brand page, these will be used as a default. Now let's check out the advanced settings. Here you can define your relationship with sponsors and decide if you are open to partnerships with all sponsors. You can set up a loyalty system where users receive at least 1 loyalty point for every redeemed action code. For example, it could be 1 point for every $1 or euro. You can also define who can join your community. You can make it open to all users, or you can adjust this so you can approve all new users. You can set up a referral code and referral text that users can send to other users. You can set up a follow-up action for new users. For example, they can unlock an exclusive promotion or get access to loyalty points. And finally, you can personalize thank you messages. These are emails or push notifications that are sent to sponsors and members. Click Save and you have now set up your community. Now let's see what it looks like in the web app. Open MyFavorito.com and type your club's name in the search bar. Now you can see your community. Now let's check the mobile app. Open MyFavorito. Type your club name in the search bar. And take a look at your community.